Hi everybody, welcome to I Language Training Center New Concept English video classroom. And today we will learn New Concept English Book 1, Lesson 64. Okay, don't, you mustn't. Sağollaşlı yaxshimizlar. Amsa bugun 63 darsimizda o'rgangan muhim bo'lgan shu ikki jumla shakli bor. Misol don't, qilmang, atmang. Demak bu buyruq jumla shakli. And you mustn't, yana birisi siz mandaq qilmasligingiz kerak yoki mandaq qilish man'i qilindi degan gapchi. Anaqa qaranglar bu yerga don't, yana birisi you mustn't. You mustn't. Endi ma don't deganimiz buyruq jumla. Odatda buyruq jumlalarda oldin qatim so'zlagan igisi. Demakchi, shu jumlaning igisi qanday qildi desanglar, yushurni holat keladi. Demak, endi shu ish harakatini paydo qiluvchi qanday desanglar, misol aniq ko'rinmaydi degan gap. Masalan, don't play a football. Endi bu harakatga play a football, play deganimiz nima desanglar, unda xabar, shunami? Odatda harakatlar pilla jumla xabar olib keldi. Aniqda müşarik igisi nima desanglar, shu harakatni paydo qiluvchi, shu o'yinchi nima bo'ldi igisi. Hamda bir sizga futbol o'ynamang deganda ekan, hamda bu shu siz futbol o'ynamang. Demak, hamda bu yerga siz degan igisi amaliyotda yushurni holat keldi. Demak, shu harakatni paydo qiluvchi nima bo'ldi igisi. Hamda shu harakatning obyekti, o'y nimani o'ynaydi? Shu to'pni, futbolni. Shunami? Hamda bu to'ldiruvchi nima shu harakatning obyekti bo'ldi. Janolar, demak hamda ega xabar to'ldiruvchi. To'ldiruvchini hanuz biz binu deymiz, binu. Demak hamda mishariki binu spa harakat pil xabar bor. Onkin egisi yushun holat kelgan. Demakchi don't mana qilma. Don't ninkidan pil ninki asl shakli keldi. Hamda you mustn't ninki mana qilishingiz qilmasligingiz lozim yoki mana qilish qanday qilindi? Ma'ni qilindi. Buning albatta desanglar, feelninki asl shakli keldi. Xo'sh, hamsa bugungi darsimizda hamisha aslini bag'ayli. Xo'sh, hamda bu ushbu rasm qarab baqsaq, bu yerda qizil chiroq ekan. Demak, hamda qizil chiroq degan nima desanglar, bu yer to'xtashinglar kerak degan gap. Demak, you must stop here. You must stop here. Siz bu yerda qanday qilishingiz kerak? To'xtashingiz lozim kerak. Demak, hamda bu must ninki kerak lozim shunami? Hamda demakchi you mustn't walk across the road. Demak, hamda meni qizil chiroq yongan nima? You mustn't walk across the road. Demak, bir narsaning yuzidan kesib o'tgan bo'lsa, biz buni across deydik. Hamda men harakatsi walk across. Demak, kesib o'tmak. Masalan, yo'lni kesib o'tmak bo'lsa, yo'lning ma qirg'iqidan yana bir qirg'iqqa o'tgan bo'lsa, buni walk across deymiz. You mustn't walk across the road. Yo'lni kesib o'tmasligingiz kerak. Because why? It's red light. Qizil chiroq ekan, shunami? Demak, endi bu buyruq jumla bo'lganda, don't walk across the road. Don't walk across the road. Demak, endi bu birisiga manda qilmang degan endi bu nima desanglar, buyruq. Yana birisi nima desanglar, masalan, har xil tuzumli bor. Masalan, sinfda gap qilmasligingiz kerak, unda qilmasligingiz kerak. Demak, hamda shu qoida nizomlarga manda qilmaslik kerak, lozim degandek so'zlarga nima desanglar, mishaga mustn't ishlatamiz yoki manda qilishimiz kerak. You must degandek. Demak, hamda bu cho'qim qilish kerak bo'lgan, zarur bo'lgan ishlarga must ishlatamiz. Mustni ishlatamiz. Qaranglar, hamda bu yerda nima bo'lgan ekan bu? Odatda shu daryo ko'llarining atrofiga nima qilib qo'ydi? Bu suv uzishga bo'lmaydi degan gap. Suv uzishga bo'lmaydi degan gap. Demak, hamda buning ma'nosi you mustn't swim here. Siz bu yerda suv uzmasligingiz kerak. Demak, bu yerda suv uzish man'i qilinadi degan gap. Hamda bu buyruq jumla bo'lganda nima desangiz, siz suv uzmang. Don't swim here. Okay? Don't swim here. Okay, hamda ma belgichi. Bu belgi qarab baqsaq, bu tamakininki mana belgisi. Shunami? Demak, no smoking. No smoking. Hamda shu tamak chekish ma'ni qilindi, tamak chekmaslik kerak bo'lsa, don't smoke here. and you mustn't smoke here. Okay, endi bu yerga smoke deganimiz hesabda nima bo'ldi desanglar, tamoq chekmak. Demak, don't smoke here and you mustn't smoke here. Endi yana bir diqqat qilishga arziydigan bir nuqta, don't bo'lamdi yoki you mustn't bo'lamdi. Bu shu ikkisidan keyindan cho'qim feelningki asl shakli kirish kerak. To'ngsining yuanshingiz kirish kerak. Shu ma'nosini unutib qolsak bo'lmaydi. All right. So what is he doing? So what is he doing? You know, he's taking a photo, right? And take photos deganimiz hamda suratga tortmoq shunami. Demak, suratga tortmang degani don't take photos here. Don't take photos here. Yoki you mustn't take photos here. You mustn't take photos here. Arada shu qadimiy masalan asar atiqli va muzey deymiz. Onundan sayohat rayonlarida arada suratga tortishga bo'lmaydi. Chunki nurg'u odam masalan suratga tortish jarayonida onundan nur chiqadi. Shu nur balkim shu qadimiy buyumlarni, tarixiy buyumlarni qanday qilish kerak desanglar, ziyonga uchrashib zaxmlantirishi mumkin. Shunga bu yerda apparatda suratga tortishga bo'lmaydi. Demak, you mustn't take photos here. Okay, if you see the sign like that, agar siz anda belgini ko'rsangiz, qanday qilmasligingiz kerak? Suratga tortmaslik kerak. Adeta bu sayohatchilar ajoyib, masalan, bu qilmang degan ishni bekrak qiladi. Masalan, aytganim nurg'u yerda suratga tortishga bo'lmaydi deb, lekin ash belgining yeniga kirib qanaqa qiladi, tortibchi ba'zi sayohatchilarni. Demak, hamda bu narsalarga alohida diqqat qilamiz. Bu shu tarixiy, qadimiy shu madaniyat bilan munosabatli sayohat rayonlariga cho'qim asrash kerak. Agar unda nur tushirib birashini tortib versa, qanday desanglar, bu yillarning o'tishidan buzilib ketadigan gap. Buzilib ketadigan gap. Okay, macho vallah aspirin. Okay, if you have a headache, you must take some aspirin, right? Endi bu yerda aspirin qanday desanglar, xato belgisi turdi-ku, demakchi yemang yoki yemasligingiz kerak. Buni deymiz, don't take any aspirins. You mustn't take any aspirins. Don't take any aspirins. You mustn't take any aspirins. Don't and then you mustn't. Okay. And don't take the medicine and you mustn't take the medicine. Agar doğru qilsanglar, don't take the medicine. You mustn't take the medicine. Demak, shunga alayda diqqat qilamiz. All right. Andaqda keyingisi nima desanglar, bu sarangi ekan qo'shinama. Sarangi degani match. Buning ko'plik shakli nima desanglar, matches. Matches. Bu keyinda nima qildi? Yasi qildi. Match, ya'ni shu matches. Matches. Demak, don't play with matches. Okay, don't play with matches. Nima ish qilmang? Sarangi o'ynamang. Okay, saranga o'ynamang. Shuni don't play with matches. Yoki nima? O't o'ynamang degan gap. Yoki you mustn't play with matches. Yoki siz o't o'ynamasligingiz kerak, yoki saranga o'ynamasligingiz kerak. Demak, bu yerda play with matches deganimiz ham shu saranga o'ynamoq degan gap. Okay, look. What a beautiful place, huh? Okay, buni a library. Buni library deb olganchiq bolalar. Bu nima? Lie birinchi so'ziq tovush nima? Men ilgirimi deb qo'yapman. Ko'pincha shu so'ziq tovushlarni o'rganish, o'qishni talaffuz qilishni o'rganasanglar, bo'lib qolganda instrument nima? Lie, br. Okay, br degan tovush nima? Brary. Okay, library. Library. Nima? Library emasmi? Library. Get. Library degan kutubxona. Hargiz kutubxona emas, uy tovush emas nima? Kutubxona. In a place where you can read and borrow books here. Okay, I'm dam shu kitob o'qiydigan ham kitob orit qilgan bir yana kutubxona deymiz. Demak, hamda kutubxona mana bir belgi. Degan shunama. Demak, it means don't talk in a library. Okay, don't talk in a library or you mustn't talk in a library. Demak, hamda kutubxonada paranlashish, gaplashish, taklanadi. Don't talk in a library. You mustn't take a library. Okay, next one is make noise. Okay, don't make noise. For example, Sophie is sleeping or Sophie is asleep. Okay, and is asleep deganimiz uxlaqliq holatini bildirdi vallahi holat. Sophie is asleep. Sophie qanday desanglar uxlaqliq. Uxlaq holatda. Onun again nima deymiz desanglar don't make noise. Shh, right? Don't make noise or you mustn't make a noise. Okay, you mustn't take a noise. Demek varang-churung qilmasligingiz lozim. Varang-churung qilish ma'ni qilinadi degan gap. Varang-churung qilish ma'ni qilinadi. Okay, what about this? You know, the cars are going so quickly. It means like a speed limit is 30, but they speak so quickly. Demek shunchalik tezaydi hamda nima desanglar, voy unchalar tezaydiman. Demek don't drive so quickly or you mustn't drive so quickly. You mustn't drive so quickly. You're not Billy Stewart. That's his Billy Stewart. MS. Okay, next one is lean out of. Okay, I'm about lean. Deganimiz balla masalan yulinab turgan bo'lsa nima deymiz? Lean deymiz, and the lean out of. Bo'stin bo'ldi. Lean out of. Ma'lum narsaning sirtiga masalan derizning sirtiga 5-qavat. Demak, bunda yulinab bunday chiqaryapti, shunami? Demek don't lean out of the window. Demek de derizadan beshingizni chiqarmang. Derizadan beshingizni chiqarmang. Yoki you mustn't lean out of the window. Siz beshingizni derizadan chiqarmasligingiz lozim. Okay, next one is break. Okay, break. Mesela breakfast degan o'rganganda break degan buzmoq, fast degan ro'za tutmoq, degan chetarliklar nasht qilsa, kechasini tutgan farzini, ro'zasini buzg'anlik bo'ldi deb o'rgangan. Shuna break. Don't break, chaqmang, buzmang. That ways. Lonqini yoki teshtakni. Demak, lonqini yoki teshtakni buzmang. Buyruq jumla shunami? Hamda you mustn't break that ways. Yoki boshqa so'zlar siz mana qilmasligingiz qanday kerak. Okay. Another mashq qilib bolalar, please speak fast. Demek, please don't speak fast. Uydurib qalay, qanday unchalar siz qanday qilmang, so'zlamang. Mesela, you may stay at school tonight. Demek, you mustn't stay at school tonight. Demek, hamda buni inkor cheklamiz. Shar inkor cheklini yasaymizga, masalan, don't you bo'lgan bo'lsa don't. Must bo'lgan bo'lsa mustn't. Masalan, you must talk in the library. Siz kutubxonaga gap qilsangiz kerak. Endi nima? You mustn't talk in the library. You mustn't talk in the library. Come early tomorrow. Baldurak keling. Endi baldurak kelmang deganda nima deymiz? Don't come early tomorrow. Don't come early tomorrow. Okay, choose the best answer. Okay, for example, you, the soup, because it's not for you. Okay. And that we should have that qilmang. You mustn't drink the soup. Because it's not for you. You mustn't drink. Mustn't again. And then we had a needn't. Deganimiz nima desanglar, uning zaruriyati yo'q. Endi to zaruriyat yo'q emas, men cheklaydigan bunda qilmang degan gap qo'ydim au. Shuninga nima desanglar, mustn't keladi. And ikkinchisi, please, please play with yo-yo like that. Please do it like this. Okay. And the yo-yo then qana qilmang. Please, and then don't. Qilmang. Please don't play like that. Okay, and you play with fire. Tom, it's dangerous. Okay, and the you mustn't. Okay, on that mustn't. Correct. You mustn't play with fire. Tom, it is dangerous. Okay, dangerous means xatarlik degan gap. Xatarlik. It is dangerous. Okay. Okay, and the mane bir o'qib baqaylik bo'ldi. Chant qilib baqaylik. Don't play. You mustn't play with matches. Don't talk. You mustn't talk in a library. Qanday ohangga selib o'qiy olsangiz teh yaxshi. Don't play, you mustn't play with matches, you mustn't play with matches. Okay. O'zinglar shunday har xil ohanglar silib, naqshlangan. O'qib olsangiz teh yaxshi. Bo'ldi.